Okay, now I will put water here. Now I put 2 gallons of water to the top, and then now I put, oh, there's too much water. Alright, and then just turn clockwise. Okay. So now you have to push this lever, like, right? This handle, push, and then the pressure. It has pressure inside of the water, and then you're gonna push the water through the hose, and then goes out to nozzle. So when you push, you have to release the this lock system here, handle, like this, right? So you see, push. Okay. So now, yeah, it spreads water. So if you press, if you don't open this handle, like lock this bar, and you cannot push anymore because it is already enough pressure here and air inside, so you have to release it, right? And then here, this, now I will show you, these 3 choices here: fan and stream and cone, fan, stream. So we'll see how it looks like. Okay. And then I'll release. So this is fan. This is fan. I will change to stream. This is a stream. Wow, this is straightforward. Look at that. Whew. This is stream. And now I will do cone. This is cone. Okay. Release. Yeah. So this is really wide, the spray. This is cone. Okay, so it work here. The spray. It works very well. If you don't want to hold it continually, but then you lock it, push forward and lock it, and then automatically it just spray. It spreads. And you push like this, right? Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, you can please subscribe it. Thank you. Bye. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you one thing. If you put the water here, and then you don't want to leave it like this, right? And then carry this one places where you just use to spray, but then you have to push, right? And then lock clockwise, turn like this, right? And then you can hold it. You can just hold this one like this and moving places where you want to go spray.